I just bought my very first car. Today is a massive day for me. This is the start of something crazy. It's a tiny, super compact 2007 Daihatsu Cuore, perfect little in really good condition. I have been doing so much research in the Pakistan used car market for months, scrolling park views day and night, checking prices, talking to people, comparing everything from auto to Curtis to Wits. I wanted something cheap to run, reliable, and with good resale value because, well, the big plan is car flipping. Something cheap to run, reliable, and with good resale value because the big plan is car flipping. My dream is to keep buying, fixing a bit, selling for profit, and slowly working my way up to absolute my dream car. From a little 850cc hatch to 500, 600 horsepower monster. I have no idea how long it'll take or how far we'll get, but I'm not a dealership guy. This is me and my brother doing it solo, buying low, cleaning it up, maybe some small mechanical stuff, sell. So here is how it went down. Me and my brother hopped on a bike and rode all the way to Multan to check out some cars. We saw a few, but the first one was really was this Cuore. Owner was asking 9,30,000, but after some solid bargaining and a good test drive, we locked it at 8 lakh. Felt like a steal. We took it for spin, drive smooth, AC works, no major noises. Then straight to the file checking, and we go to that guy home, and we check all file, all paperwork. Paper were all good, original, no issue. Transfer the money to his account. Then we headed to the excise office for ownership on my name, transfer, and biometric. That cost me about 10,500 extra. So deal done. Pick up the car, drove it home, almost 45 kilometers from the city. My friend joined us for the ride back, and my brother took the bike home separately. The next day, we washed the whole thing, full cleanup, engine bay, interior, exterior, and we spent almost 500 rupees at the wash place, but they did not do polish or wax. Did not even know that before, but car looked way fresher already. But then the engine got a bit hot, and I checked oil and coolant. Yeah, it was low and dirty, so we changed everything: new engine oil filter, air filter, and carburetor filter was in very rough shape. And poured 2 bottles of fresh coolant. Now it's running cool and happy. So then I decided to post an ad on Parkwiz. So I posted the ad on Parkwiz right away for 9,70,000. Already getting some calls and offers. People are interested. Let's see how this plays out. Will it sell quickly? Will we make a nice profit on the first flip, or will it take it longer? I have no clue yet, but there's the fun part. Stick around for next episode. We'll update you on what happened, any buyer negotiations, maybe some small fixes and profit or lesson learned. If you are into car flipping in Pakistan or just love budget cars like the Cuore, smash the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts. What should we do next? Subscribe so we don't miss it. See you in the next one, guys. Let's make this journey happen.